talk about lab number 1 for 4th grade, which is properties of gravel and sand. You were asking the question, how much of the same mass and the same volume, which one's going to have more mass? Is it going to be gravel, which is like rock, pebbles, or sand like you find at the beach? So you're going to need a 30 milliliter cup. It's very similar to what you get medicine put into. A digital scale, gravel, and sand. So you will have a paper to record your data, and on that paper, I have my notebook. On that paper, you are going to write down all of the measurements that you gather. So I'm going to make sure that I have a part for the empty cup, one for gravel and cup, and then I want empty cup and gravel and sand and cup. Because we're going to do that 3 times. So I've turned on my scale, and I'm only picking it up to show you. There's a little G in the corner. It needs to be G, okay? When it's sitting on the table, it should read 0.0 with the little G, and I see that it does. So I'm going to take my empty cup and put it on top of the scale and take the mass. It's going between 1.4 and 1.5, so I'm going to go with the higher number, which is 1.5 grams. I'm going to take the cup off and I'm going to fill it up with gravel. Once I fill it up with gravel, I'm then going to put it onto the scale and take its mass. With all that gravel I put inside, it is measuring at 51.9 grams. I'm then going to dump the gravel back into the cup and repeat this process 2 more times. So empty cup, 1.6, filling it up with gravel, 59.0, empty cup again, 1.4, filling it up with gravel 1 more time, 55.1. I'm going to dump the gravel, and now I'm going to repeat the same process, but instead of filling it up with gravel, I'm going to fill it up with sand. So I put the empty cup on the scale, 1.5, filling it up with sand. I might want to pack it in so it fills the entire cup. Put it onto the scale. That's measuring at 46.1 grams. Dumping sand and doing it again. Empty cup, 1.5, filling it up with sand. $49.6, emptying the cup. 1.2 for my empty cup, and 1 more time filling it up with sand. $55.1. Once I'm done and I've cleaned off my area, I'm going to do some calculations to finish gathering my data, and then I can make a conclusion based on those averages of the results I've got. Okay? So take a few minutes, do your calculations, and find out your results.